Alright again, Forest Victor here again. Please, if you're to my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In few minutes, I want to show you guys how to do top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, or you call it multiple time frame analysis. As a day trader or swing trader or whatever, but normal top-down analysis. On this chart, I will for the position. Monthly time frame. Yeah. When we find ourselves in monthly time frame, it really means that each candle on this chart takes 1 month to form. Each candle. This is July. This one here is August. You can see it. Here is June. You can see it. Each candle, each one of these candles are significant of 1 month. Just one candle takes 1 month to form. So if you look at our monthly time frame, where are we? Are we in a downtrend or in an uptrend? Which I'll be making a video concerning trend. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay tuned. I will carry you guys along on how to trade forex from basis. So here we are in an uptrend, and what makes an uptrend is because of you can see series of higher highs and higher lows, which is you can see series of higher highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, so highs, lows, like that, lows, then like that. So that's just it. So the highest thing that might happen is this price coming back, going up, then going up, then going up again. So that may be our expectation. So this thing. Then what are we going to do here? Since we have come up from high highs and higher lows, then the next we're going to mark our zones on Us30. Basically, that's what I do. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. I will do each part 1 and part 2, so that I will make sure that I explain each stage. Just do well to subscribe so that you can follow suit. Then getting zones here. This is a zone, a key zone, which is the same higher highs and higher lows zone. Then here also is another key zone where we are expecting price to reverse soon. So that's what I mean by key zones. A place that it has potentials of reversal. So you can see here is a key zone, and you can see that price came back here and reversed, though nearly it didn't touch here, so it went up again. Then the next key zone we are seeing here now is this, even though it's still tiny, but it's also a key zone. Here it's a key zone here. So let's go. These are key zones. A place where we have potential of reversal. Then let's go to weekly time frame. Okay, from what I'm seeing on weekly time frame, you can see this. Okay, we are still in an uptrend, as you can see. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to plot a trend. We have a kind of first touch, second touch, third touch around this zone. Because if you go, you see something like this. We're going to see first touch, second touch, yeah, breakout. So you're expecting another touch around this zone. So another touch around this zone. But let me just get 2 trend line. Okay. Well, I think 1 is okay. I will do a video on how to draw a perfect trend line. So let me just see if you can see clearly here. Alright. is another trend line. Yeah, so this is just it. Then next thing we're going to look at is market structure, which I said earlier, which I'm looking at this potential reversal zones. So this is a break and retest, a pullback here. So, and you can see on this pullback, it didn't touch here, it just went up again. This is on monthly. Then what you have on weekly, you're having something like this on weekly time frame. You can see the trend lines already. Then the next thing we're going to look at for is another trends in trend. Let me see if I can find a trends in trend in this market. You can see here is also a trends in trend. You can see this touch, this touch. So let's continue on daily time frame. Okay, look at our daily time frame here. Daily time frame. You can see on the start that the price is still coming down, but we are still an uptrend, but the price is still coming down. My friend, we are going to look at the pattern on daily time frame. So you can see there is a big M pattern at this zone, and price has taken off this zone. So basically there will be a kind of pullback, something like this. You can see what happened here. Let me just show you. Came down here, M pattern here. We may have a kind of back from here like this. Pullback, a kind of pullback, something like this. You can see something like this. Then on this pullback, so something like this on Us30. Then this is on daily time frame. So it's either it stopped there, start, keep on dropping. So let me just go to 4 hours. What we have here. Okay, you can see already on this. You can see already a green candlestick going back. So let's see if there is any trend line, trends in trend here. What I can see here is already a breakout. Okay, you can see third line, first, second, third. Around this one is the fourth one. So let me just remove this. Even though we are looking at this to come down, let me remove the noise first. Are you seeing it? You can see this. So around this trend line, the price started reacting. Let's see clearly. You can see around the trend line, price started reacting for this pullback. I told you earlier that we are still in an uptrend. So the next thing to do is to find out what is happening on the lower time frame, 1 hour. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, this is what you have. And you know my strategy is psychological level, trend line, like that. So Because if you trace around this zone, you see that we find a psychological level. Now let me just show you. Let me just show you. That's why this my psychological level has 80% win rate. You see a psychological level around this zone. That 9500. 39 500. Are you seeing it? Around this one, are you seeing it? So my strategy on this psychological level has 80% win rate. So you can see psychological level is there, trend line and chart pattern. Then my chart pattern is W pattern of 15 minutes. I will pick the bar. That's what I basically see. So you can see 15 minutes here now. You can see a W pattern here. Are you seeing it? And you can see my psychological level here. You can see my trend line here. So basically what I used to do is once I see something like this, immediately I see something like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to put on my long position on this psych level, 50 pips stop loss, normal. Let me just show you. 50 pips stop loss from the psych. Network. Normally my strategy, what I will just at this zone, you can see from what I was saying then. This is the 4 hour. Let me just go back. You can see this trend line here already. You can just see it. So you can just see it here. You can just see it here. You can just see it here. So that is first touch, second touch here. So on 4 hour, this is the third touch happening around this zone. So the next thing I have to do is to place my buy on the touch of this trend line. Nothing much. On the touch of this trend line, nothing suffers, guys. So at this zone, I just place my buy. Once I touch this trend line, you see my buy here. Psychological level trend line is there. Then that's it for me. I'll just put in the buy. So that's just it. Then what are we expecting here? We are going to expect this price to come back upon to this zone where it left from, which is basically something like this. Then we know if the price will continue down or not. But normally this is, remember, look at our chart here. So I'm expecting this price to go up and retest. Probably, let's say this from here it has to go up about 500 pips. 500 pips. Then we confirm whether we are going to sell, going to what happened, or we are going to buy. So guys, this is my projection on your start this week. So once it pulls back here, we'll be looking at for either short or confirm more buyers for us to get in for buys. So that's basically how I do my top analysis, and that's also basically how I place my trade. So if you found value in this content or in this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, as I will keep on uploading more videos to you guys. Peace out.